When you find a great article that's essential to your research, it's always a good idea to see who has referenced that article since it was published. This is a research technique called cited reference searching or forward searching. In this workshop, we're going to demonstrate how to do a forward searching or a cited reference search using 3 different tools: PubMed, Google Scholar, or Web of Science. To begin, let's start with a sample citation. For this activity, I'm going to use an article found in a previous search title called Assessing Antidepressant Activity in Rodents. And this was published in 2002, so I'm hopeful that many other articles have since cited this source. So to begin our search, we're going to go into PubMed. PubMed is a free tool produced by the National Library of Medicine that allows scientists and other biomedical researchers to find citations for articles in any health-related or biology journal. Many of the articles are freely available, and if an article is not available, you can still use McCain Library's Find Journal tool to locate the full text of the article or request a copy of that article through interlibrary loan, and it will be emailed to you for free. So how do you access PubMed? Easiest thing, since it's a free tool on the web, is just take your internet search engine and type in PubMed, and then you should be able to locate it in the results. Once you're in PubMed, you will run a search using the title, author, whatever characteristics that you need to find the article that you're looking for. And then once you find your article, you will look for cited by in the article record. It's located in the bottom right-hand corner of the menu. This will take you to a list of articles that have cited the article you found since it was published, including the original article. So here's the original article I was looking for that was published in 2002. And if I want to narrow the results down, because I found 341 additional articles, then I can click on here to narrow by date, or I can narrow by the type of article. There's even a menu at the bottom that will let you narrow by other features such as species, sex, or age. The next database we're going to look at is Google Scholar. Google Scholar is another free tool that will help you locate scholarly works and who has cited those works since the work was originally published. To access Google Scholar, you just simply type in the name Google Scholar to your favorite search engine, and you should locate it in the results. When you're searching for an article by title in Google Scholar, if you get a lot of results, since this database is not specifically focused on science or a specific discipline, you might want to put quotation marks around the title, or you may want to add in the name of one of the authors. And when I locate it, I can see that beneath the abstract or the summary of the article is a cited by link. And in this case, it has 312 articles that have cited this article since it was published in just 2012. Clicking on that link, I'll get a list of articles that have cited the article. Here again is my results list. And if I'm feeling overwhelmed by this number, I can narrow it down by date. So I can look for articles that have published it in the last couple of years. Another option that I have is right above the search results. You can see that it says search within citing article. If I put a check mark there, then I can use this search box up here and put in additional keywords to narrow my focus down. So maybe I want to know about a specific species. I can put the name of that species in there. So that's how you search Google Scholar to find works that have cited a specific article. My favorite database is Web of Science. This is a database available through McCain Library's Databases A to Z list. It's one of the best tools to locate important science literature, published since 1995. And if you use the full text finder icon under each citation to determine if the full text is available through McCain Library or if it needs to be requested through interlibrary loan, you should be able to locate it in one of our other databases or have it sent to you for free through interlibrary loan. To locate Web of Science, you just start at the library website. So agnescott.edu/library. You click on the Databases A to Z menu underneath the Discover search box, and then in the A to Z menu that appears, you click on W. And then you locate in the list of databases that appears that begin with the letter W, you locate Web of Science. Once you click on this, Off-campus users will be asked for their network ID and password. So once you're inside the database, you can search by the title of the article, you can search by the author, you can even search by topic. So you can change these pull-down menus so that you can identify other ways to search for it. And if you want to add additional row because you have more search terms, you can do that as well. Once you've searched for your article, you'll notice that to the right of every single article, it indicates the number of times that work has been cited. So this particular work has been cited in 149 articles within Web of Science. And if you click on that, you'll see a list of those articles. By default, the list of results that appears will be sorted by date. So you can see the sorting menu up here, and you can click on time cited, usage count, and there's other options under more that you can use to sort the articles based off of what's going to be most useful to you. In addition, over here on the left-hand side, you can refine the results by keyword using the search box. And then finally, this content-sensitive link, this is what will provide you access to the full text. There is no full text in Web of Science, and I know that that sounds awful, but don't worry. This little button that currently says Content Sensitive Link, but in the future will say Full Text Finder, if you click on that, it's going to cross-search all of our library databases to see where the full text is available and take you directly to that. So if it doesn't do that, it's just going to take you straight to the interlibrary loan form. And in either case, you get to have access to the full text of the article for free. So it's a great database to start with because it has some of the best scientific journals that are out there. Those are the three options that we have. We hope that you found this method of searching useful. And if you need help, please email the library at agnescott.edu. You can also use our chat widget, which is on the library homepage for immediate help, or you can set up a one-on-one meeting with a librarian using our Schedule a Research Appointment button. So good luck with your search. We hope to hear from you.